Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get the look from the WAP video of Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. We all know what that stands for, so I didn't want to say it on, this is a rated PG channel, so but yeah, the video is amazing. Cardi's just always outdoing herself in these music videos, and I really like Megan's look. I heard that she did it herself, which is really impressive. She's great. So yeah, if you want to learn how to get this look, just stick around. Alright, so we're going to start off with an old school hack. Just put some tape down just to make sure the eyeshadow and the eyeliner comes out really sharp. First I prime my lids with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And then I pat it out with a beauty blender. This is from e.l.f. as well. And now I'm going to go in with my Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette. And we're going to go in with that light nude shade. It's called Aura, and we're just going to swipe that into our crease. And the neat thing about the tape is that, even if you mess up, it's going to catch anything that's falling out. So just make sure that they stay in place. Sometimes the more eyeshadow you put down, the more it tends to slip and slide. Now we're going to go in with the shade Soothe. And now we're going to go in with the shade Ritual. It's a dark brown color, just to deepen the crease. It looks like Meg has a really deep cut crease going on, so we're going to use Ritual first, and then we're going to go on with a maroon type of shade. And make sure you extend the eyeshadow all the way next to the nose bridge. That way it elongates the eye. It just makes the whole look come together. And now we're going to go in with the shade Story. It's a matte orange shade, just to add a little bit of warmth to the eyelid. And now we're going to go with the Natasha Denona Holiday Palette. And oh my god.
Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Anyway, the Natasha Denona palette, there's this shade in there. It's called Red Grape. I'm not sure if this eyeshadow is still in stores, but it came out like a year or two ago. I'm not sure, but it's got some really vibrant colors, and I really like it. So you're just going to go over the dark brown that you just put down, just to give it a little bit more of a wine color like Megan has in the video. And this is more of a shimmery shade, so it's gonna give it a little bit more shine. And now we're gonna take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and we're gonna cut the crease. I'm not that skilled with doing cut creases, so please forgive me if this doesn't look to your liking, but this is just how I did it today. And now I'm gonna spray my brush. Yeah, don't go too crazy. I'm using this gold shade from Pat McGrath. It's one of her single eyeshadows. And yeah, just spraying it with the setting spray really makes the color pop even more. and that gold, it was popping in that video, honey, so we're gonna take it there. And you can go over with some of that eyeshadow again without wetting it, just over top of the wet shadow that you just placed down, just to make it pop even more. And I'm going to go in with that gold shade in the Natasha Denona palette and go over the gold shadow that we put down, just to make everything stand out a little bit more, and also clean up the cut crease as well. And then just go back with a clean brush and blend that all together. So now for the fun part, we're going to go in with eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It's a nice matte black. And yeah, just take that all the way to the inner corner. Looks like Megan's eyeliner goes all the way along the eyelid. And we're going to make it a really thick, bold eyeliner. So take your time. Slow and steady wins the race. And the good part is that you have the tape, so if you make any mistakes, don't worry about it. Once you remove the tape, it should be sharp as hell. Now we remove the tape and voila. And now we're gonna take this shade Soothe, the matte with some sparkles in it, and place that along the lash line on the under eye. And make sure you clean up any spots that were kind of removed with the tape. And now we're going to go in with the shade Ritual and darken the under eye a little bit. And this brush is by Fenty and it's amazing. And take the shimmery shade of Ritual as well and deepen it some more, and then go in with the shimmery shade of Story. And then we're going to take the shimmery shade of Aura and use that as the inner corner highlight. Then we're going to take this Pat McGrath eyeliner and just place it in our waterline. This is always my favorite step of any makeup look. And also go up and tightline your eyelid as well, just fill in any gaps. And now we're going to take the matte black shade in the Tati Beauty palette called Memory, and we're just going to kind of pat that onto the eyeliner that we have on the eyelid, just to make the look a little bit more matte. The eyeliner was a little too shiny for my taste. Then I went in with this lip pumper from e.l.f. Now we're going in with a pencil lip liner from ColourPop Cosmetics and BFF3. Yeah, it's kind of a mess, so please excuse me. It wasn't sharp and now I sharpened it, and now we're gonna go back in. I went in with this Bite Cosmetics lip crayon in Glace. Make sure you clean up the mess after if you do make a mess. And then I took Virgo and Lime Crime and a little lip gloss from Pat McGrath and Illy Angelic. And now to finish off, we're taking that lighter shade that we use in our inner corner to also highlight our brow bone and just blend all the colors together. Okay guys, so this is the final. Oh! Okay, this is the final look, guys. I just add a little highlight to complete my face, and I try to recreate Megan's hairstyle for curly hair as best I could. And I threw on this gold dress that I had laying around. I think it's close enough to the dress she's wearing. So, but yeah, let me know if you guys like the look. If you have any questions, comments, let me know what kind of content you guys want to watch. If you want to keep seeing videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.